In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share a YouTube channel link on mobile. This process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it without wasting any time. So I'm on my channel right now, and if I want to share the profile link for my specific channel, and I'll show you how to do it on another channel too, you want to go to the channel and then tap on the three vertical dots there from the home page of the channel. You can see I'm on the home tab. So tap on those three dots and then you'll see at the top there it says share. All you need to do is tap on share and you have all these different options. You can copy the link, share it directly to Facebook, Facebook groups, Twitter, Messenger, Pinterest, and things of that nature. So I'm just going to copy the link, and if you want to go to any other channel, let me just say for this channel, for example, I'll tap on the video. Then I'll tap right over here where it says the channel name, and then you'll see those three dots again, once again at the top right hand corner. I'll tap on that and then I'll tap on share. I'll copy the link and then you can go on to any social media that you would want. So let me say, for example, on Instagram, and I'll go into a message and I'll long press on there and then I'll paste it in there and then tap on send. And now I have successfully shared that channel link. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.